Good morning, class. Our lesson for today is all about illustrate the following measures of position ng quartiles, deciles, and percentiles. So, when we say measured the position, it is a number tells where the score stands relative to the other in a set of data. So, where we're going to locate the position on the rank in a given scores or given data. And it is a measures whether a value is about the average of whether it's usually high or low. And it is used for quantitative data that falls on same numerical scale. And also, it can be applied to ordinal variables. So when we say ordinal variables, it is involves ranking, order, and places. To computing the measured opposition of one group data, we're using three methods. So, the first one is general method. And second is a linear interpolation. Third is Mendenhall and Sincinch method. So, we have three common measures of position, the quartiles, deciles, and percentile. So, when we say quartiles, are the score points which divide a distribution into four equal parts, and they calculated by ordering the data from smallest to largest. And also, it is a type of percentiles. So, class, they have three organized data of quartiles. So, the Q sub 1 is 25% of the data is also known as lower quartile. So, Q sub 2 is 50% of the data is also known as middle quartile. And then the Q sub 3 is 75% of the data is also known as upper quartiles. So we have a formula ng quartile. So the formula of quartile is Q is equals to N over 4 times N plus 1. For example, the given is 20, 19, 21, 26, 25, 23, 27, 22, and 24. So, first one, arrange the values in ascending order. So, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. And then, second one is putting the value. So, yung median niya is ika-fifth term. So, the fifth term is 23. Then, yung median niya of second and third is 23 and 26. So, you can add it. Then, the answer is 25.5. And upper quartile minus lower quartile is equals to 25.5 minus 20.5 is equals to 5. The answer is 5. For deciles class, this is a scores points that divide a distribution into 10 equal parts. So, we have 9 deciles values points. So, how to compute the deciles? So, first one, we're going to arrange the data, put the data in ascending or descending order. Second one is use the formula. So, the formula is D is equals to N, divide 10 times N plus 1. And these deciles are used in many fields, such as finance and economics, to compare the performance of a set against similar assets. So, let's move on to percentiles. So, this percentiles is a term used in statistics to express how a scores compare to other scores in the same data set. While there is technical no standard definition of percentile, it typically communicated as percentage of values that fall below a particular values in a set of data scores. Percentage are commonly used to report values from non-reference. So, let's test the formula to calculate a percentile is a px is equals to xn plus 1 divided by 100, where x is the percentile you want to calculate and n is the total number of observations. So, the formula of percentile is p is equals to n over 10 times n plus 1. So, the next step is to substitute the value in the formula. So, P90 will be equal to 9020 plus 1 divided by 100. But 90 is the percentile you want to calculate and 20 is the number of observation. But should come to 1890 divided by 100, which will be approximately to 94. So, our 90 percentile is a 94 mark in a data set. P20 is equals to 94 means that the 90 of students got less than 94 works and the 10% of the student got the mark more than 94. There's another way to calculate the percentile. Let's see how we can do that. Suppose we want to calculate at what percentile range the 78 works falls. So, to calculate this, we have formula. So, P is equals to small n divided by capital N into 100, where small n is equals to ordinal rank of values. And the capital is equals to total values in the data set. So, substituting in the values the formula, we get 12 into 100 divided by 20, which will be equal to 60. So, this means that the 78 work signifies to 60 percentile in the data set.